Kev G with a weather overview. Happy New Year to you all. These are the December climate statistics for surrounding areas that we rely on for daily weather observations, JFK, Newark, Central Park. And we ran below normal for the month of December. It was a pretty frigid month. It started off warm, and that's the only thing that made it so that the monthly mean temperature wasn't even lower than what it actually ended up being. So very interesting stuff. We are in the grips of a brutal Arctic outbreak right now. I think we'll get a little bit of a respite on Wednesday, but then after that, the coldest weather of the season. If you can believe that, the coldest weather of the season is on the way for Friday and Saturday. And I do believe that we are going to have to deal with a snowstorm for Thursday. And I think that areas along the coast should prepare for several inches of snow and perhaps, in a worst case, a disruptive snowfall. And that's what I've been saying for days to my friends who've been asking me, and that's basically where I stand now. I'm very concerned that it's going to be worse than what's out there as far as the forecasts are concerned. Right now, the National Weather Service is forecasting 2 to 4 inches of snow. I've chosen to go a little bit higher on the coast. I think it'll be 3 to 6 inches, but I'm very concerned, and this is going to require another video. So we'll keep it short for now. I'll give you the particulars, and one thing is for certain: Friday through Saturday, it's liable to be around the tri-state area. I don't think we'll get above 15 degrees for the period Friday through Saturday. That's the coldest air of the season. I think that in Manhattan and also in the surrounding 5 boroughs, I think that there's a chance that we have 2 nights in a row where it hits 0. I don't remember that ever happening in my lifetime. I know that we hit 0 for Valentine's Day a couple years ago, but to hit it 2 nights in a row is just astounding, and that is on the table for Friday night and again Saturday night. So here's your temperatures now. We're already below 0 in central and southern New England. You could see the single digits and teens along the coast. Now the issue for the late week, if we go to tropical tidbits, is an exceptionally powerful storm is going to develop off the Atlantic Ocean, and it's going to be close enough to deliver a significant snowfall, in my opinion, along the coast. I think we'll get 3 to 6 inches of snow for the city, into Long Island, and into Connecticut, with less so north and west. But there's a very good chance, and that's why this is going to need updating. There's a very good chance that this could be a little bit worse. I'm very concerned about the fact that the storm is going to be so strong. Here we are by Thursday morning, and snow breaks out along the coast. And it's going to be heavy at times. I think through much of the day it'll be heavy at times, especially along the coast. And up to 6 inches of snow could fall from New York City through Connecticut, Long Island, into extreme coastal New Jersey. So I think that's the scenario we're looking at now. But keep in mind that this is something that really needs to be watched. Any shift further west of the storm, and we're going to be doubling these amounts very, very easily. And we're going to be introducing snow inland to areas that I think will get 2 to 4 inches, which is north and west of I-95. But look at these temperatures. Friday, 13, Saturday, 9. And we're flirting with 0 both Friday and Saturday. We bump it up to 20 on Sunday, and then a return to normal temperatures, near normal temperatures for at least a couple of days for Monday and Tuesday. But this is a situation that bears watching. I will be doing another video on it tomorrow, but I think the one thing that you could take away from this is that the coldest weather of the season, even in the grips of this brutal air mass that we have right now, the coldest air is yet to come, and it is on the way for Friday and Saturday. And we'll watch the snow threat for Thursday.